Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday at 3:42 p.m., in the middle of replying to messages and trying to meet a deadline, you felt it. That tightness in your chest, that silent frustration, that thought, I can't stop right now, I have too much to do. And then the adhan began. For a second, you considered ignoring it. Just 5 more minutes, you told yourself. But let me ask you something. Since when did talking to Allah become an interruption? Salah is not an interruption, it is a rescue. You live in a world that rewards exhaustion. People praise you for being busy, for skipping meals, for sacrificing sleep. You carry expectation on your shoulder like heavy bags, afraid to disappoint anyone. But when you stand for Salah, you are declaring something powerful without saying a word. Nothing owns me except Allah. Not my boss, not my phone, not people's demand, not the endless to-do list. Salah is gently pulls you away from the noise. It teaches you that you are allowed to pause, that you are allowed to breathe. When you raise your hands and say Allahu Akbar, you are reminding your anxious heart that Allah is greater than the deadline, greater than the argument, greater than the fear, greater than the stress that has been living in your chest all day. Salah is self-care in its purest form. It forces you to step away from what drains you and reconnect with the one who restores you. You say you don't have time, but what if the reason you feel overwhelmed is because you haven't paused for prayer? Salah teaches you boundaries. It teaches you to say, I will respond after I pray. It trains people to respect your time with Allah. And more importantly, it teaches you to respect yourself because you matter. Your soul matter, your peace matter. Every sujood is a release. Every tasbih softens something hard inside you. Every quiet moment in prayer untangles a knot you didn't even know was there. This is not about obligation alone, it is about connection. It is about stepping out of the chaos 5 times a day and remembering who you are, a servant of Allah, not a slave to the world. So the next time the adhan echoes in your mind says, not now, answer differently. Say, this is exactly what I need. Salah is not stealing your time, it is giving you back your heart.